solve by completing the square, show your work. We have x squared plus 10x plus 15 equals 0. To complete the square, we want to get the x terms, that is x squared plus 10x, by themselves on one side of the equation. So we'll subtract 15 from both sides. I'm going to leave a space here because I want to add a number to this side in order to complete the square. How do I determine what number to add? I look at the coefficient of the x term. That's 10. If I take half of 10, which is 5, and square it, I get 25. That's the number that I add to this side of the equation. And of course, to balance the equation, I have to add it to the other side. Now, I've basically completed the square because at this point I can write this as a square of a binomial, x plus 5 squared. And if I add together on this side, I get 10. Now, once it's written in this form, we can solve by taking the square root of both sides. We can get, or using the principle of square roots, we get x plus 5 equals plus or minus the square root of 10. And so adding negative 5 to both sides, x equals negative 5 plus or minus the square root of 10. Now this stands for two solutions, negative 5 plus the square root of 10 and negative 5 minus the square root of 10. So we can write that the solutions are negative 5 plus or minus the square root of 10.